Welcome back. This is Stuti Gogia. In case you are listening this voice for the very first time, this is season 2 of Stuti Speaks, and you can go check out my links for the more information about me. And I have today a very special guest with me whose name is Amit. And as I in my each podcast में बताती हूँ कि मैं guest से कैसे मिली. So I was talking to Anurag, and Anurag के साथ मैंने एक podcast की हुई है जिसका नाम है पॉडकास्टिंग विद द पॉडकास्टर. ही इज अ सेलिब्रिटी पॉडकास्टर. तो मैंने अमित को बोला दैट आई वांट समबडी टू पॉडकास्ट विद मी, एंड ही सजेस्टेड मी अमित्स नेम. तो उन्होंने बोला कि अमित इज माय सर एंड ही इज इनटू मार्शल आर्ट्स एंड एमएमए एंड ऑल दिस स्टफ. सो आई थॉट दैट्स अ इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक टू टॉक अबाउट बिकॉज मेरे को भी इसके बारे में बहुत कुछ पता नहीं है. सो आई थॉट व्हाई नॉट, दिस इज अ गुड टाइम टू टॉक अबाउट इट. So over to you, Amit. Can आप अपना थोड़ा सा intro दे दो and then we can take the conversation forward from there.
Hi everyone, this is Amit. As you said, Anurag told me about her, and then after just I was also ready for this thing. I am a martial artist. I started my journey when I was 7 year old, and from that time till today, I am 42 year old, and I learned different martial arts
Wow.
and teaching martial arts for the last 21 years. Started my first martial art experience with Taekwondo. Then I learned kickboxing as well, which is more or less, kicking practice this that are similar. So it was easy for me. And then after this, I learned seven different martial arts as well, a couple of weapons, approximately seven or eight weapons, and
8 weapons. Hmm.
yeah, eight different weapons as well.
Wow. Wow, that's great. So how did I mean, I know there is much more to your intro, बहुत कुछ होगा. That is good. But then I wanted to talk about where did, like, I saw your profile and everything. So where did the idea of barefoot came in? Like, you wanted to start it by your own or be associated with someone. तो barefoot का idea कहाँ से आया?
If you know about this, the concept of the barefoot, because for the last 19 years, I used to run barefoot.
Okay.
And
You used to run like marathon types, वो सब चीजें?
my maximum was for 72 kilometers.
Okay.
And because I was just running barefoot, and I don't know, I mean, from where it came. But all of a sudden, I mean, the first time when I was doing a workshop in Raipur, so all of a sudden, I don't know, I mean, from where it came, and I said barefoot metabolics.
Wow. Wow.
So that time, I asked my a couple of my friends, I mean, what do you say about, I mean, barefoot? If I just name my dojo as well in the name of barefoot, they said, yeah, it is. It sounds थोड़ा सा मतलब अलग type का थोड़ा. Then I thought, let's go with the barefoot only.
That's great. But अच्छा ठीक है, थोड़ा सा बिगनिंग से फिर से शुरू करते हैं. बेसिकली आई वांटेड टू आस्क कि आप थोड़ा सा लिसनर्स को आइडिया दे दो कि एमएमए, मार्शल आर्ट, ताइक्वांडो ये होता क्या है. व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज इट? सपोजिटली हम मानते हैं कि कोई लेमैन है जो ये पॉडकास्ट सुन रहा है, उसे कुछ नहीं पता. सो हाउ डू यू गिव दैट आइडिया, क्या होती है ये आर्ट और स्किल, व्हाटएवर इट इज?
Yeah, first of all, I will just tell, say about because these all are just combat sports. These all are just martial arts. If you see the very meaning of the martial is exactly the fight, and the art is the art color.
Kala, yeah.
So there can be n number of martial arts. For example, the wrestling, judo, sambo, karate. These all are just martial arts. Now, over the period of time, culturally, and because in what exactly they felt that they are good, they can do better. Accordingly, they just suited their martial arts as per them. For example, if you just see Taekwondo, the Taekwondo is basically four-limbed martial arts in which the kicks and the punches are used. Same way karate is also.
Okay.
So, but there are also martial arts in which there are, for example, the boxing. It is also called two-limbed martial art. जिसमें दो हाथ के पंच स्ट्राइकिंग के लिए इस्तेमाल हो रहा है for the defense as well.
Mm-hmm.
So आप कितना लिम्ब इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं उसके हिसाब से the martial art was also just categorized. So that way, if you see, so there are a number of different martial arts which has adapted to different angles, different attacking or the defensive position. So if we talk about the judo is basically, earlier the judo was also with the locks or even on the grappling part as well. But now the judo is restricted on it has restricted themselves only to just throwing part
Okay.
and the
Okay.
throwing and the locks. Wrestling is again another form of combat sport martial art, जिसमें again throwing ही है and dominate करने का.
Hmm.
So the kickboxing, it came from like karate, where the kick and the punches both are just combined into one martial art.
So basically, it's a very detailed art. बहुत सारी चीजें. There is nothing like one specific, and the person can like choose one according to their needs or interest, right?
You can say according to their interest,
Interest. Okay, that's
because
more. Hmm.
yeah,
Hmm.
because नीड तो नहीं कह सकते, नीड तो लाइक नहीं कह सकते completely, क्योंकि because सबका अलग अलग है, कोई किसी मतलब वैसे तो देखा जाए तो नीड एग्जैक्टली फाइटिंग के भी आज की डेट में नहीं है.
हाँ,
As you
राइट.
will just
नहीं,
grow
बट वो कुछ
grow
हद तक
धीरे
सेल्फ
धीरे.
डिफेंस के लिए होती है, विच इज फाइन. लाइक सम अप टू सर्टेन एक्सटेंट थोड़ा बहुत बेसिक हर किसी को पता होना चाहिए, बट या नीड नहीं कह सकते, विच यू आर राइट इज कम्प्लीटली फाइन एंड आई कैन एग्री टू इट.
Yeah.
So it's a detail. So how was your journey started? Like how, what was that attracted you to कि मेरे को ये करना है? Was there some point, क्योंकि obviously I know हर किसी की calling होती है and they get attracted to different things, but was there a certain point in your life where you was like यार ये करना है मुझे, which is different anyways, right? हर किसी के लिए नहीं होता कि MMA करूँगा, martial arts करूँगा. So yeah, that, how did that thing came up?
You will laugh about this thing, that how it all started. The first time I was introduced to Taekwondo,
Mm-hmm.
and my very motivation for Taekwondo was because one there was one leader.
Mm-hmm.
कांग्रेस का मेरे बचपन में when I was just 7 years, तो कांग्रेस का कोई एक लीडर था. So I had just given him कुछ पैसे, that was for 18,000 something.
Mm-hmm.
So because he was not returning me, and I
Okay.
came, yeah, and I came to know that, I mean, oh, and मतलब मूवी वगैरह देख के वो कि वो कुंग फू में तो ऐसे उड़ उड़ के मारते हैं, मार्शल आर्ट में ऐसा होता है वैसा होता है. एंड देन आफ्टर आई जस्ट थॉट कि इतने की चूंकि बिकॉज ही इज लीडर, तो एक अकेले से तो लड़ना नहीं होगा. ही इज प्रोटेक्टेड विथ लॉट ऑफ पीपल्स. तो आई थॉट कहते कि अच्छा ठीक है, कुछ तो उड़ उड़ के मारूंगा मैं. सो दैट इज हाउ इट ऑल स्टार्टेड.
Wow, that's
बट
actually an
लेटर ऑन आई वाज
interesting
जस्ट
story.
लर्निंग, देन आई जस्ट लर्न दैट कि भाई यहाँ तो उड़ उड़ के मारने का कोई हिसाब ही किताब नहीं है.
बट बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी है. दिस इज जेन्युइनली इंटरेस्टिंग कि हाँ मतलब ये किसी को किसी से पैसे लेने के चक्कर में कि हाँ भाई, बट इट लाइक वो आपके फेवर में गया, which was good, which was really good.
या
That's
या
great. So तो फिर there your journey started. And कौन सी एज थी? How old were you?
एट दैट टाइम आई वाज 7 year old.
Oh, yeah, you told. Yeah, 7. That was too young. So there you started your own journey of
या
martial art. So first वो black belt और वो सब होता है ना initially, or it's different for taekwondo? I'm not sure.
Yeah, almost in every martial art you start with white belt,
White belt and then black
and
belt.
then after just it is according to the grading. I mean blue belt, red belt. I mean green belt, red belt,
Black
blue
belt.
belt, red belt. So सभी में अलग अलग, like I mean blue belt जिजुत्सु में white belt के बाद में आ जाता है.
Okay.
तो
मतलब
सभी का
basically
बेल्ट का अलग
progressing,
कैटेगरी है.
that is progressing stages of your journey जो भी होती है.
Yeah.
But so how, like फिर उस 7 years, like that was obviously you were very kid. आपको पैसे वापस मिले for that matter या नहीं मिले?
No, then after because एक साल तक तो द्वंद चलता रहा बिल्कुल कि I will just hit him this way that way. और एक साल के बाद धीरे धीरे everything just started going. तो पैसे तो वसूल कभी नहीं किया, इवन कभी कभी चाहा भी नहीं. But that way I just learned. I mean, and I just today I noticed कि I am so calm that even someone is just going, and if someone abuses me as well, मतलब I just laugh and I just think he is not in that mental state That is why he is just doing in that thing.
वो स्पिरिचुअल लेवल का एनलाइटनमेंट आ जाता है ना विद ऑल दीज आर्ट्स एंड
Yeah.
मतलब
And I don't know how it all transformed.
हाँ क्योंकि internally you are a warrior spirit person but at the same time you are at peace and calm जब तक बिल्कुल जरूरत ना पड़े क्यों क्यों बोलना है क्या करना है मतलब you are in
Exactly.
flow state ठीक है so then we come like वो 7 years that was when you 7 years so उसके बाद how like आपने कब सोचा कि मैं इसको professionally take up कर लेता हूँ and how I mean obviously then barefoot started and everything went accordingly.
Professionally, if you see, I had participated in tournaments as well, and these nationals as well, national gold as well.
Okay.
So पहले तो सिखाने का कोई इच्छा ही नहीं था because the way I learned, it was like I mean गुरु और शिष्य जैसे पहले जो देते थे kind of it was that
दीक्षा
way.
दीक्षा वाली
दीक्षा.
सेंस में
Yeah. तो काफी सालों तक तो इवन माय कपल ऑफ माय फ्रेंड्स दे आल्सो यूज्ड टू मी टू आस्क मी कि दे से कि भाई you can teach and by that way you can make your career also in this line ये वो तो I used to say कहते कि नहीं I what the way I have received it I will just give it in the same way throughout my life I am not going to charge a single penny.
Oh wow.
तो
Wow.
but I mean I used to take a workshop and when I just was in decathlon that time I just realized that people have a lot of potential in Chhattisgarh and but they are not getting the proper direction.
Got it.
So then I decided that I mean no I want to teach here and I want to do something for them.
Okay.
Even I am very passionate about this thing that I want to teach especially children from the slum area. तो बट
Nice.
एक हाइंडेंस उस जगह पे ये था कि बिकॉज भाई इसके लिए पैसे तो चाहिए कम से कम डोजो स्टार्ट करने के लिए क्लास स्टार्ट करने के लिए इक्विपमेंट दिस दैट ऑल तो देन आई सेड कहते हैं कि भाई ये धर्मार्थ पे नहीं चल सकता है because somehow exactly पैसा आना चाहिए then only you can just earn and then only you can just do something for them better for them.
And I strongly believe that there should be a certain amount of energy exchange involved in everything so that it's mutual. Because अगर आप अपनी तरफ से कर रहे हो और another person is not paying you something, obviously जो नहीं दे सकता फिर आप उनके लिए नहीं कर सकते मतलब जो मनी की फॉर्म में एनर्जी नहीं दे सकता. So it's like it's all circulating anyway. So it's always good to charge in that sense.
Exactly. Even I say bhai even though you pay 1 rupees but pay at least 1 rupees.
True.
The reason because that way you just understand the value of that knowledge. Otherwise ऐसा होता है मतलब I mean like for example मैंने साल डेढ़ साल पहले नहीं शायद और पहले कोविड के पहले मैंने एक बार सेल्फ डिफेंस की क्लासेस आई जस्ट सेट कहते कि इट विल बी फ्री फॉर ऑल गर्ल्स एंड बिलीव मी नो वन केम.
लोग ना एक तो पता है क्या मैंने ये भी देखा पीपल टेक यू एक तो ग्रांटेड लेते हैं पीपल टेक यू फॉर ग्रांटेड दे डोंट वैल्यू योर टाइम एंड मनी इफ यू आर नॉट चार्जिंग. सेकेंडली उनको भी लगता है कि फ्री में ही हो रहा है या फिर लोग छुट्टी कर लेंगे या फिर लोग नहीं जाएंगे. सो आई थिंक सर्टेन अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी एक्सचेंज इज ऑलवेज नीडेड सो दैट पीपल आर रिस्पेक्टिंग योर टाइम एफर्ट और वैसे भी एंड देन यू कैन invest that money in helping people जो कि under privileged हैं या फिर they are not. So that's how it circulates. So yeah, you were saying कि कोई नहीं आया उसके बाद then what happened?
And then after just I started charging for that. And from that time matlab now I have to say people that the batch is completely full. I don't have any space to accommodate any single person. So now everything is just running in such a
automatic manner.
Yeah.
तो अभी आप कितने batches लेते हो एक दिन में? How many batches do you take?
I take morning 4 batch.
अच्छा.
And evening 2 batch.
6 batches per day. And how many students are there in each batch?
10.
60 students per month or whatever.
Yeah.
But that's a great thing. That's a great thing. And how much do you think can you share your not journey, I would say कि क्या experience of learning था for throughout you? Like you said, one of the things कि अभी कोई लड़ भी रहा हो, I'm at peace and I'm calm. This is one of those changes. Any more changes you have felt that martial arts or MMA or taekwondo, whatever, has given you as a person?
Yeah, initially my goal was different And initially the thing was like I have to hit only the opponent, I have to hit only the pad, ye wo jo, when I just used to practice. Or I have to just, if I'm doing the grappling, then I have to just overpower this, that. Then once I was discussing with my senior,
Hmm.
uh, and she said that I mean, I was very junior to her. I mean, she was 9 year senior to me.
Okay.
So
Okay.
she said that I mean, तुम इतना प्रैक्टिस करो, मेरे लिए तो जो है वो 20-25 भी जो है काफी है.
अच्छा.
तो मैंने ये था कि भाई, the more you will practice, the more we will be refined.
Hmm.
So she was not agreeing on this point. So my teacher said that I mean, then when this issue was taken to my sensei,
Hmm.
and he said about this thing that depend करता है आपका गोल क्या है.
Hmm. Hmm.
You want to hit a football, you want to hit a tennis ball, you want to hit a ping pong ball, or you want to hit a coin, or you want to hit a point.
Hmm.
So that depends exactly what your goal is.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
So from
True.
that time, earlier I used to just do it in that way. कहते कि अच्छा नहीं, मुझे तो बस खाली बस इतना करना है बस.
Hmm.
From that time till today, I just keep practicing, and even today as well, I just felt that I mean, a lot. I mean, I don't know. I mean, how much I have to learn,
Hmm. Hmm.
and I feel, despite all these years, I just feel that I have learned nothing.
Hmm.
I mean,
But a good
just एक
learner
बूंद.
is good learner is that only who is always thinking अभी मेरे को बहुत कुछ करना है. There is no end to learning.
Yeah,
So
yeah, there
that's
is
how
no
you
end
keep
to
on.
learning even for everyone. I just say ये वाला चीज ना, मतलब जब आदमी शुरू शुरू में जब स्टार्ट करता है तो उसके अंदर ये आता है कि अच्छा थोड़ा सा मैंने कर लिया, ओ माय गॉड मेरी स्पीड कितनी अच्छी है, ओ माय गॉड मैंने कितना कर लिया.
True
But
that.
as you start learning each and every day, when you just realize yourself, then when you just see कि what I am doing today, what I was yesterday, वो नेक्स्ट डे अगेन वो थोड़ा सा और रिफाइनमेंट आ गया, थोड़ा और स्पीड आ गया. देन यू जस्ट, इफ यू जस्ट ऑब्जर्विंग योरसेल्फ, देन यू जस्ट फील दैट अच्छे की तो कोई मतलब कोई लिमिट ही नहीं है.
भाई endless है. The learning is
या
endless.
इट इज एंडलेस.
It's completely endless. आपको पता ही नहीं है that how much capability. Like आप जितना करते जाओगे, you will be able to achieve more. फिर you realize कि मेरी तो इससे भी ज़्यादा capacity है, and that's how it keeps moving. But
एग्जैक्टली.
anyways, this is really nice. And you want to, I mean, any uh, certain, I mean, कुछ ऐसा होता है कि किसको करना चाहिए, किसको करना नहीं चाहिए, और it's like कि everybody should do it, बाकी आपकी मर्जी है, whatever calling you are, you should do it. मतलब या फिर ऐसा कुछ है कि इस पर्टिकुलर तरह के लोगों को तो पक्का करना चाहिए, ऐसा कुछ है?
या मैं तो कहता हूँ वैसे कि सबको
सबको
अपने
करना चाहिए,
लाइफ में एक बार करना जरूर चाहिए.
एक बार करना जरूर चाहिए.
या एंड
वेरी नाइस.
एंड more importantly, in present scenario, if you see, so girls and women as well, I mean, they should learn at least the self-defense part.
Basic.
Because
Very.
like for example, I mean, many people just say that oh, we belong to this class, ये वो, मतलब हमें कौन सा लड़ने जाना है, कौन सा ये करना. It is not about that लड़ने जाना है. No one knows in life what situation you are going to face in that particular period of time.
So true.
So that way you can defend yourself, and apart from that, it's not only about just defending and I mean offensive या defensive ये वाला भी नहीं. The moment you just enter into sparring with your opponent, चाहे कोई भी हो, and then you just feel that मतलब कि ओ मैंने इसको अपने से डबल साइज को मैंने ओवर पावर कर दिया, मैं इसको इससे भी मैं जीत सकती हूँ, मैं इसको
Hmm.
इसको ऐसे ही बड़े
So
आसानी के
true.
साथ टैकल कर सकती हूँ.
So true.
Then it gives you enormous confidence even in your daily routine as well.
समझ गई.
मतलब लाइफ में इवन इन स्टडीज एज वेल, इवन आई हैव जस्ट सीन अ कपल ऑफ माय स्टूडेंट्स, देयर किड्स, और छोटे छोटे बच्चों को कि मतलब एक अलग ही लेवल का कॉन्फिडेंस आ जाता है, जो घर में मतलब पहले हर एक चीज़ों को मतलब बिल्कुल लेके मतलब झिझकते थे. अब तो ऐसा होता है कि मुझे बोलना पड़ता है भाई शांत, मतलब थोड़ा सा रुक जाओ थोड़ा.
सो बेसिकली मुझे लगता है कि छोटे बच्चों को अर्ली एज में स्टार्ट कर देना चाहिए. दैट विल बी इवन मोर लाइक पीपल नाउअडेज हाँ डू इट. आई मैंने अपनी सोसाइटी में बच्चों को करते हुए देखा है. दे डू इट. आई थिंक दैट्स रियली गुड.
या किड्स को
गो
तो
अहेड.
जरूर कराना चाहिए, बिकॉज दिस इज द बेस्ट टाइम दैट दे लर्न. And why appropriate time? Because they learn very fast.
Yeah,
तो
because
whatsoever,
quick learning होती है उस
yeah,
time
very
पे.
quick learning.
Hmm.
And at this age if they are habitual of this thing, मतलब तो automatic वो movement आपके अंदर से आना चाहिए. The art has to be artless, the form has to be formless.
Wow. What amazing.
So
So it's like a flow happening by its own, and that's how you will achieve that state of spiritual calmness as well.
yeah,
Something
that
something like that.
automatically comes. I will say that automatically comes. वो
उसके लिए
पर्सनली
कुछ
करना पड़ता
एफर्ट नहीं मानना पड़ता,
है.
वो
Exactly, exactly,
ऑटोमेटिकली करते करते अपने आप ही आ जाती है ना.
exactly.
Great. That's great. I mean, I've truly loved your journey and how you talked about it. So, towards the end of this podcast, can you tell like kuch takeaways for listeners, like parting notes? First of all, that, and then anything, any people who are your inspiration, you look up to, as obviously apart from your teachers, जिसने आपने सीखा है, वो तो होंगे ही होंगे, I'm sure. उसके अलावा, so yeah, those two things.
Yeah, first of all, about everyone, I will just say that like nowadays there are a lot of this that thing in the market कि ये सर्टिफिकेट ले लो, वो सर्टिफिकेट ले लो, ये मार्शल आर्ट, वो मार्शल आर्ट. डोंट रन बिहाइंड एवरीथिंग. Even after all these years when I was just learning, so when I just used to ask my teacher that sir, I have to learn kickboxing, sir I have to learn muay thai, sir I have to learn tai chi. तो वो मुझे डांट के मुझे एक बार के लिए मुझे भगा देते थे कि भागो यहाँ से. तो दैट टाइम समझ में नहीं आता था. मतलब मुझे लगता था कहता कि क्यों मुझे डांट रहे हैं, मतलब इतना मेहनत तो कर रहा हूँ मैं, 5-5 6 6 घंटे प्रैक्टिस कर रहा हूँ, दिस फाइट दैट क्यों भगा रहे हैं. बट अब मुझे समझ में आता है बिकॉज आई हैव लर्न सो मेनी थिंग्स दैट नाउ आई जस्ट फील दैट आई एम डूइंग इनजस्टिस विद अदर मार्शल आर्ट्स. क्योंकि मैं किसी को अगर 15-15 मिनट भी अगर टाइम देता हूँ तब भी दिस ऑल दिस थिंग्स इट टेक्स सो मच टाइम कि मैं फिर भी सारी चीजों को मैं नहीं पूरा कर पाऊंगा मैं.
True that.
तो मैं सबसे पहले तो मैं किसी को भी एक चीज ये कहूंगा कि डोंट रन बिहाइंड एवरीथिंग. टेक वन मार्शल आर्ट्स एंड जो आपको सूट करे, क्योंकि सबके सब अलग है.
सब अलग है.
कोई ग्रैपलिंग में बहुत अच्छा है, कोई किक बॉक्सिंग में अच्छा है, कोई पंचिंग में बहुत अच्छा है. तो जस्ट फाइंड योर सेल्फ दैट इन विच प्लेस यू आर कंफर्टेबल विथ योर इंटरेस्ट, with your passion, commitment, consistency, and spend time with that. Second, don't run behind certificates, because after all certificate मतलब आप नौकरी वगैरह लेने के लिए, जैसे रेलवे वगैरह में nowadays मतलब नौकरी वगैरह के लिए स्पोर्ट्स कोटे में लोग देते हैं नौकरी.
अच्छा.
तो वो नौकरी लेने तक के लिए आपको ठीक है, बट चूंकि यू हैव लर्न नथिंग and you are just pursuing only for the sake of the certificate, so that way you will end in the vacuum. मतलब कहीं भी कुछ भी आपके हाथ में नहीं आया. लाइफ में अगर आपको कभी भी एक अपने आप को डिफेंड भी अगर करना पड़ गया, अगर कहीं भी अगर जरूरत अगर पड़ गया, देन यू विल जस्ट मतलब यू कांट शो समवन दैट ओ हे डोंट फाइट विद मी, आई एम ब्लैक बेल्ट, दिस इज माय सर्टिफिकेट. आप हमेशा सर्टिफिकेट लेके नहीं चल सकते.
आपको अपनी स्किल दिखानी पड़ेगी.
Exactly.
And that will be genuine.
So don't run behind certificate, no matter how much time it takes. Just give your time, because when you just run behind this thing passionately, so automatically it will reward you. ठीक है, इतने साल में you will get the certificate, but the day that if you will earn your certificate, तो एक अलग ही लेवल का कॉन्फिडेंस, एक अलग ही लेवल का हर एक चीज, मतलब एक अलग ही लेवल का खुशी होता है अंदर से कि मैंने इसको कमाया है, मैंने इसको खरीदा नहीं.
You have earned it, right? You have not.
And third, nowadays what I'm just saying about this thing, that because couple of people in the I've just seen it only in the Chhattisgarh, this thing, that couple of people they are just selling the mixed martial art certificate as well. So blue belt या ये black belt उसमें भी बना रहे हैं. I want to tell everyone that MMA is mixed martial art. The very name also said it is completely mixed. So a person from Taekwondo, a person from BJJ, a person from Judo, anyone can participate in mixed martial art. There is no particularly special certificate for that. सो कोई भी इफ दे आर जस्ट लिसनिंग, सो जस्ट मैं ये कहूँगा कि डोंट बी इन द क्लच ऑफ दिस फुलिशनेस की मिक्स मार्शल आर्ट के सर्टिफिकेट के चक्कर में अपना टाइम और अपना पैसा सब कुछ उसमें गंवाएं.
Exactly. Got it.
Just learn one martial art, and believe me, you can participate even in mixed martial art. It is very
Hmm.
loose. It is open for everyone. It is open platform. The very foundation of the mixed martial art from well to do in Brazil,
Hmm.
and from there they just, I mean, they participated in all these, and then after that, see what it was commercialized in 19th century.
Hmm.
And today there are a number of association as well. There's who are just organizing these all things.
Hmm.
But they also have just said that, I mean, it is open for everyone. You just show your talent.
Hmm. Hmm.
So don't be in the clutch of this all things certificate and this that. Just practice, practice, practice,
Hmm.
and always remember that involve. You can do better only when there is involvement,
Hmm.
when your commitment, when
Hmm.
there is consistency. Then
Hmm.
the only the result, the success will come.
Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Got it. Right. Very nice. Hmm. And coming to the last one, like who all are your inspiration? Any people, like apart from your teachers who you look up to, or any people like you feel they inspired you in your journey?
Yeah, my very inspiration. I mean, the first I will say I have to for him. I have deep regard is my sensei Rashid Ansari sir.
Okay. Very nice. Hmm.
And apart from that, there are a number of players participating in the tournaments as well. For example, the Gordon Ram. Yeah, especially to great John Danner,
Oh, okay. Okay.
Renjo Gracie as well.
Hmm.
And there are a number of these things players who are just still participating. Yeah, Khabib Nurmagomedov as well.
Okay. Okay.
His to his father as well. Great respect to his father as well.
Hmm.
And
Nice.
I will say to about his father Abdullah ji, that he was not only a great coach, he was also a great person also in his life as well.
Okay. Nice.
So
Hmm.
one should learn from these from their life as well for a lot of things.
Hmm. Got it. Got it. Very nice. So thank you so much, Amit, for coming on the show and sharing your like such big insights. And I'm so happy that you came in. So thank you so much. And you can say thanks to listeners too for listening to us. And then we might end it right here.
Yeah, first of all, I will just thank you, thankful to Stuti as well, for to Anurag as well, so for connecting me to Stuti, and she gave me the opportunity to interact with you all guys.
Hmm.
And thank you for listening this podcast,
Yeah.
for
So
giving me
yeah.
this opportunity to share my experience and these all things. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. The pleasure is ours, and I'm sure listener will have few takeaways while listening to it. So thank you so much everyone for listening to us. Stay happy, stay blessed, and most importantly, stay grateful. I'll see you in another podcast. Bye.